Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I welcome you. Please consider subscribing to my channel. So in this video I'll show you how to make and enjoy egusi soup even if you are not a fan of egusi soup. Not this particular egusi soup, I guarantee you will love the recipe. This egusi stew tastes so delicious. So for the meat, I'm using some beef and shaki, which I've already seasoned and cooked. In here I will add in some vegetable oil and allow the oil to heat up. So I'll add in some chopped onions and fry for a bit before adding in the tomato paste. Guys, feel free to use more tomato paste in yours, and also you can, for more redness, you can use some tatashi to bring out more redness, because the stew is going to be the only source of oil in the egusi soup. So feel free to skip this step. I'll be frying this meat in the tomato for some time before adding in the meat stock. So you can skip it. And so here I'm adding in the meat stock. If you don't have meat stock, you can add in water. So I'll allow this to come to a boil then before adding in the other cooking ingredients. So already I have the egusi grinded and mixed to form a paste. So I have a video of another egusi recipe. You can check it in the description box below. The link is there. So yeah, I've already mixed the egusi, so I will go ahead now to add in the egusi mix in the boiling soup on fire. So I will allow this to cook for about 10 minutes. So after which I will add in crayfish. I'll add in some, already I've added in some crayfish when I was grinding the egusi. So but I'm adding in more crayfish, stockfish, dry fish, pepper, and obeying this obeying the locust beans. I have already dissolved in water to form a paste to help it to easily dissolve. So I'll give everything a mix and allow the soup to continue to cook for another 10 minutes. Okay. So if you're still watching this video at this point, thank you so much for watching the video. Please go ahead and give the video a huge thumbs up, like the video, like the video, and share my video. It's just a little favor I'm asking from you. So after about 10 minutes, and when the soup is already boiling very well, I will go in now and add in the vegetables. So for this soup I'm using uziza leaves, some uziza leaves. So feel free to use any one that you want. You can use your ugu leaf, pumpkin leaf. I'm using uziza and ugu leaf here. So guys, you can add in any vegetable of your choice. You can even use some spinach here. So I'll allow these vegetables to cook for about 2 minutes or even less, and allow the heat in the pot to cook with the rest, because I still want them to have the nutrients in them. So guys, egusi stew is done here. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.